Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a new unit we just got on the ground, stock number 14292. This is a 2018 Cargo Craft, 8.5 by 26. This trailer gives you a 24-foot box plus a 2-foot V. It is in silver, does have heavy axles underneath it, so you've got a great payload capacity with 9,000 pounds you can put in this thing. Does have a heavy-duty triple tube tongue. You do also have an extended 3-foot tongue, so it'll give you guys a good turning radius even though you do have a V-nose front. This one again is in silver. It's in 030 aluminum, so you've got thicker aluminum skin, also 16-inch on center wall, ceiling, and floor. 7,000 pound axles with brakes, and then you also have aluminum wheels and diamond plate fenders that you guys can see right there. We're going to walk around over to the side door side. Here's your tongue. You do have diamond plate all along the bottom of the V-nose as well as up the V-nose, so you've got great rock protection. Side door does come with a hold back. You also have an RV lock as well as a cam bar, so double lock protection on this side door as well. Gutter over your side door. We'll come down this side of the trailer. Rear ramp door does come with steel transition flaps, so you've got transition flaps from ramp to ground as well as ramp to trailer. Painted interior floor. Again, you've got a 7-foot interior height with this unit. Finished out ceiling, makes the trailer nice and clean inside. You also have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent. It has a bubble cover over it, so you guys can have that open and not worry about it raining or have any issues with that. Also, E-track recessed in each of the walls, as well as 2 rows of E-track on the floor, and then you also have 4 D-rings as well. 3-inch dovetail here at the rear, so we've got a 7-foot interior height. We're going to lose about 6 inches with this rear door spring, but we're going to gain back 3 with the dovetail, so you will have about a 6'9" rear door opening. 3 interior LED puck lights right here. They do have little toggle switches on them as well. These are very bright, efficient little LED lights. You can have them all on or individually control them with those toggle switches. Here is your Maxx Air roof vent. You also have a light switch right here next to the side door to turn the lights on and off. Interior stepwell coming in and out of the trailer. And here it is, V-nose front. Again, you have a 9,000 pound payload capacity with this unit. If you guys are in the market for a new trailer, we'd love to earn your business. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state. We have over 150 on the ground. And as always, you can reach us at 303-688-8485. You guys can also click on our View Inventory tab that pops up on the YouTube screen right there. And you can go to our website directly at coloradotrailersinc.com. Be sure and like and subscribe.